Hey everyone, I want to show you how simple it is to make your own ginger shots at home. I actually took a recipe, actually my husband found it on TikTok and modified it just a little bit to fit my needs, my personal needs, and I only added a couple more ingredients. But I find I can take it twice a day, and it contains ginger and turmeric. I'm using the organic spice turmeric because I don't have any roots right now, but you can use the spice as long as you buy the organic. I'm also adding coconut water to it, some black pepper, an orange, a lemon, some organic pineapple juice, some apple cider vinegar, and I buy the Whitehouse with the mother, and then some local honey. So that's my ingredients. So what you do is I've got a Vitamix blender, any blender, Ninja, or whatever you have will work. But this recipe does make a good bit of the juice. So I want to say I got 4-ounce jars that I bought, a case of 4-ounce jelly jars, and it fills up the whole case. So that's 48 ounces. So and you're also going to strain it through a cheesecloth when you get done. So here we are. So I'm going to mix it up. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get about a cup of the ginger root, and I'm just going to chop it up. So that's about a cup right here. So I'm just going to coarsely chop it, and let's find a knife. Add it to my blender. So here we go. The whole thing too. Just chop it up. Get it in the blender. So I just chopped it up. Get over here where you can see what I'm doing. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? So here we are. It'll stay. There we go. So just gonna basically taking off this notch here. Now, I buy every time I go to the grocery store, I buy a big piece of ginger. So I try to always have fresh. I planted some in my garden this year, so hopefully next year, the year after, soon I'll have my own ginger. So need a little bit more. Ginger and turmeric are your main ingredients here, so I want enough because I want to get the full benefit. So what I found, I've been doing this for a week already, and what I found it really helps my metabolism. It gives me some energy. It's reduced my blood pressure. I lost a few pounds. I wasn't trying to lose a few pounds, but hey, always welcome to lose a few pounds. So there, I think that's enough ginger. So we'll put that aside. And then this orange and this lemon, I'm just gonna peel them. And I'm gonna just throw the whole thing in, because I'm going to strain it through a cheesecloth, but I want all the goodie here, not just the juice. Get every bit of good out of this lemon. So lemon is a natural detox, and it is really good for your stomach. So we usually add a few lemons to our water every day, but I'm going to be adding it to my drink here. So, okay, so I got that peeled. Alright, and then this lemon I'm the orange, I'm going to do the same thing. Let me peel this and get in it. That's the hardest part. I try to buy organic fruit when I can find it. Sometimes the grocery store has it, sometimes it doesn't. I really would prefer that it always had it. Try to prevent all the garbage that they put in our food. Get organic when you can. or non-GMO when you can. So I'm going to just throw this whole orange in here. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and put the pineapple juice in. So I'm just going to use a cup of pineapple juice. And I love this pineapple juice. I don't know if you've tried it yet, but it is really good. I've been buying that, well, ever since the first time I found it. Oops, I spilt a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm going to do a cup of pineapple juice. I'm going to go ahead and, I hate to make this noise because it is very loud. I should have chopped that ginger up just a little bit before I get that too full. So I'm just going to pulse it in my blender. Alright, so I think I got it broke down good. You can see all that goodness. So I'm gonna do two cups of coconut water. This is just the coconut water I could find at the grocery store. It's non-GMO. So let's just do 2 cups. You can do regular water if you don't have it. It's okay. So let's do one more. And that's almost this whole container. But you see, I have filled up my blender here. So next I'm just going to add my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, a little bit of overpour there, but that's okay. 3 tablespoons. And let's go ahead and add our black pepper. Let's do 3 teaspoons. And then we're going to do the cayenne pepper. So this does have a kick. Just going to warn you, but you need the black pepper to activate the turmeric, or the turmeric. And then let's go ahead and add some turmeric, the powdered turmeric. So this is organic Nature's Promise turmeric. You can get it on Amazon, or sometimes the grocery store will have it, but just not always. So I want a good bit. So that's about 3 teaspoons, okay? And then I'm going to add some honey. Now, I like the honey because it offsets the hot. Probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons is what you'll need here. So there we go. Let's get some honey in there. And then one more ingredient that I add, because I have found it helps so much with pain, is cayenne pepper. So I just got this in a little squeeze bottle because I actually use it to fill up capsules, little veggie caps for myself for pain control. I try not to take any medication, only cayenne pepper or turmeric. So I'm adding this to my drink. So I'm going to get probably about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you can tolerate more, add more. Okay? Alright, so there it is, all mixed up. So let's get this lid back on, I hope. Yep, just does fit. Loosen you up a little bit so you can see. I want to put this back on. Alright, here we go. Give it a good mix here. My lid back on my turmeric. And then I'm going to pour it through a cheesecloth. This is stained because it's reusable. So I reuse everything I can. Get ready for this. Alright, so I've got a pitcher here. And I am just going to put this over it. Alright, so what I've done is I've taken this and I squeezed all the juice, poured it through the cheesecloth, draped over here, and twisted it until I got everything out of it, and then I'm left with this pulp of ginger and turmeric and fruit pulp. What you can do with this, you can throw it away, or you can use it and dry it out. Put it on a wax paper and put it in your oven on low, and dry it out, and you can make ginger tea with it. So anyway, I'll put that to the side. We'll do that, something with that later. But here's your juice. And like I said, I bought the little 4-ounce jelly jars. You just fill them up. And this will make 12 jars. And I drink about 2 a day, sometimes only 1.